So hello and as always, welcome back to Learning MG. So many of you have been asking me how can you actually restart your actual Apple Watch. So it's really easy to do if I'm being honest. So the only thing you gotta do is just press the actual crown and the actual turning off button. So you press them at the same time and you just wait 20 seconds and it will automatically restart. Okay, so you just wait and you wait till you see the actual let's say symbol of Apple Watch. So it's really that simple. There you go. You've just restarted your actual Apple Watch. So as you can see, you do not need to use this button right here, which I've seen many of you actually tell me. You just press these two buttons at the same time and then you just wait, and once you see the actual logo of Apple, as you can see, it's brightened up, then you just let it go, and that's the way you can actually really restart your actual Apple Watch. Now, as always, if you've got any questions or this trick does not work, let me know in the comments and I'll try to answer you as soon as possible. And as always, thank you very much for watching. We'll just wait to see, so I can show you that once you restart it, it automatically usually takes about a minute and a half or so, but in general, it's really easy to do, and I think that many of you have been having some issues with your actual Apple Watch. This can be applied to the Apple Watch also, but also any other actual Apple Watch. It's just a way to restart it, and there you go, back again. Okay, as always, if you've got any questions, just leave it down here in the comments below, and thank you very much for watching.